Introduction. Rescission is a legal concept that provides parties to a contract with the ability to cancel or undo the agreement. It is an essential remedy that allows for the termination of a contract due to certain circumstances or violations. In this exploration, we delve into the meaning of rescission, its purpose, and the effects it has on contractual obligations. The meaning of rescission. Rescission refers to the unwinding of a contract, effectively reverting the parties back to their original positions as if the contract never existed. It is a powerful legal tool that can be invoked to address situations where one or both parties have been misled, deceived, or unfairly treated. The purpose of rescission. The primary purpose of rescission is to restore parties to the contractual relationship to their pre-contractual positions. This remedy aims to rectify the harm caused by the contract and prevent unfairness or injustice. Rescission provides an equitable solution by undoing the effects of a contract that is tainted by fraud, misrepresentation, mistake, or duress. Fraud and misrepresentation. One of the most common grounds for rescission is fraud or misrepresentation. If one party has intentionally made false statements or concealed important information to induce the other party into entering the contract, the aggrieved party may seek rescission. Rescission allows the innocent party to escape the obligations of the fraudulent contract and seek remedies for any damages suffered. Mistake. Rescission can also be sought in cases of mutual mistake or unilateral mistake if the mistake is so fundamental that it undermines the entire purpose of the contract. A mutual mistake refers to a situation where both parties were mistaken about a material fact at the time of contract formation. A unilateral mistake occurs when only one party was mistaken, and the other party knew or should have known about the mistake. Duress and undue influence. Rescission may be available if a party was forced into the contract through duress or undue influence. Duress refers to situations where one party compels the other to enter the contract under threat or coercion. Undue influence occurs when one party exerts excessive influence over the other, exploiting a position of trust or vulnerability. Effects of rescission. When a contract is rescinded, the obligations and rights created by the contract cease to exist. All parties must return any benefits received from the contract, undo any actions taken under the contract, and restore the parties to their original positions. Rescission is a retroactive remedy that aims to eliminate the legal consequences of the contract entirely. Restitution and compensation. In addition to returning the parties to their pre-contractual positions, rescission often involves a restitutionary element. The party seeking rescission may be entitled to the return of any money or property transferred as part of the contract. Additionally, the innocent party may seek compensation for any damages suffered as a result of the rescindable contract. Legal procedures and limitations. Rescission is a legal remedy typically sought through legal proceedings, either by filing a lawsuit or invoking specific contractual provisions. However, it is important to note that rescission may be subject to certain limitations, such as the passage of time or the availability of alternative remedies. Consulting with a legal professional is advisable to ensure the proper use and understanding of rescission within the specific legal framework. Conclusion. Rescission serves as a vital legal remedy that seeks to restore parties to a pre-contractual state when a contract is tainted by fraud, misrepresentation, mistake, duress, or undue influence. It is a powerful tool that allows parties to undo a contract's effects and seek appropriate remedies. Understanding the meaning, purpose, and effects of rescission is crucial for anyone involved in contractual agreements and seeking a fair resolution when faced with contractual misconduct.